everyone, I'm Eric Whitcraft, floral contributor for FlowerBox, and today I'm going to feature these incredible tropical flowers from Greenpoint Nursery as I create a Valentine's Day appropriate arrangement that's perfect for your customers. I'm using the 8-inch red FlowerBox vase, and I'm going to simply take some tea leaves, these beautiful red tea leaves from Greenpoint, loop them around upon themselves, take a little bit of bind wire, bind it around the base of the leaf, twist it back upon itself. And I've done several of them. These are something you can do in advance. You can have your designers making these up several days before the big holiday, which will save you a little bit of time. And I'm just going to simply give it a cut, set them down in. I've got an additional one I'm going to use long. Just setting it down in as well. This is going to start the foundation of your arrangement. I also have these beautiful ruffled calathea leaves, one of my personal favorites. I love this variegated look, and that dark plum colored back is so dramatic and pairs really nicely with the tea leaves. Simply setting several of these down into the vase as well. Next I have some beautiful draping pepperberry. I love pairing things that are a little more temperate and delicate with things that are tropical. So I'm just setting this down in here, and it just drapes over so nicely. Another piece here. Then I have these spectacular white anthurium. They have this kind of delicate pink edge, which I think is so pretty. So I'm going to place one toward the center front, and then one a little bit further back. In addition, I have these beautiful pink ginger from Greenpoint. Just giving those a cut as well, and setting them down in here. Actually gonna switch sides here. Here we go. And then lastly, I have fern curls. A fun little trick you can do that your customers will love. I have two of the ulehe fern curls that I've placed a glue dot right in the middle, simply sticking them together like so. Then taking a little bit of the red bullion wire and binding directly around, crisscrossing down the stem a little bit just to bind them together, then twist it back upon itself. Oops, and they came loose here, so we'll do this again. Give it a cut, and we'll set this down into the vase. And it just makes a really sweet addition to your design. I've actually done several of them, so you know in Valentine's Day production mode, it's best to line things up and do multiples at a time, or consider selling 3 of these beautiful arrangements to your customer to march down their table for Valentine's Day. Hope this has inspired you. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.